In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Binance gift card quickly and easily. Whether you've just received a crypto gift from a friend or you simply want to unlock and use the value stored on your gift card, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Even if you're brand new to Binance, don't worry. This process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, so let's get started. First, open your Binance app on your mobile device or visit the Binance website on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details and a secure internet connection. Once you're logged in successfully, take a moment to check that your account is active and ready so you don't run into any interruptions later. Next, from the main dashboard, look for the option labeled More, usually shown as a three-dot icon. Tap on it to open a full list of Binance services. Scroll down carefully until you find Gift Card, then tap on it to continue. You'll now see several options related to Binance gift cards, including sending, receiving, and redeeming, so stay focused on the next step. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your gift card code ready, your Binance app is updated to the latest version, and you're logged into the correct account. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary mistakes during redemption. Once you're inside the gift card section, tap on the Redeem tab and then select Redeem to Crypto. After that, you should see a field where you can enter your 16-character gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on your gift card. Double-check every character, because even a small typo can cause the redemption to fail. When you're confident the code is correct, tap on Redeem and confirm the action if prompted. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your account secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to redeem a Binance gift card and receive crypto in your wallet easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?